Attention all YouTube channels. This is your opportunity to show appreciation to other YouTube channels that give you support. This is the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. The challenge is 7 shoutouts in 7 days to 7 different YouTube channels.
Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, with me as always is Mookie. Today we're going to church. And not just because Mookie's a horrible sinner. You're a horrible sinner, Mookie. You're not going to believe this. So I was walking down the street and I saw this sign. It says, "Yes, there is coffee inside the church. No, it's not shitty church coffee." But if you've ever gone to church and had coffee in the church basement, it is shitty church coffee. I'm not making that up. It's a real church, and that's a real sign. So if you've ever had coffee in a church basement, that is absolutely true. They do have shitty coffee. This is the Knox Church in Calgary. So the Knox Church in downtown Calgary opened up a coffee bar inside the actual church. They put this sign out in the street to draw people in. And you go inside, it's a beautiful church, and right inside the church there's a coffee bar with like a real barista, and it's an actual coffee bar. And they have lovely pastries. I had a awesome date square with a hint of lemon zest and an espresso, and it was absolutely amazing. So we're going to go check that out. But first up, we're going to do the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. If you want to participate in the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge, see the description below. So today we're going to do a special shoutout to the YouTube channel Your Drinking Buddy. This is an awesome channel. He does all kinds of reviews. He's incredibly creative with his drink creations. And he has by far the best intro music on YouTube. I'm your drinking buddy. So we're going to go to the Sanctuary Coffee Bar located in the Knox Church in downtown Calgary. And then we're going to come back here and I'm going to make a Bombora Blast from Frankie's Tiki Room in fantastic Las Vegas. So stay tuned for that.
Alrighty then, now we're going to make a Bombora Blast from Frankie's Tiki Room in fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. And I'm getting this from the book Liquid Vacation by P. Moss, owner of Frankie's Tiki Room. It says, a Bombora Blast. An eruption of cherry, cranberry, and guava detonated by 151 proof rum. This flavor explosion will keep you soaring all night. Alright, so I have a tiki mug full of ice. This is actually from Frankie's Tiki Room in fantastic Las Vegas. This was the mug for the Lava Lech. They have some fantastic souvenir mugs there at Frankie's Tiki Room. We got 1 ounce of cranberry cocktail. 1 ounce of guava nectar. 1 ounce of lemon heart rum. Now it's supposed to be a 151. I just have the regular lemon heart rum. A ½ ounce of cherry brandy. A ½ ounce of lime. And it calls for 2 ounces of a Rockstar energy drink. But I need a little pep in my step, so I'm just going to finish it off with the Rockstar. And then I got a nice lemon wheel for garnish. And that is a Bombora Blast from Frankie's Tiki Room. Alright, again, special thanks to your drinking buddy. He's actually my drinking buddy. He can be your drinking buddy if you go subscribe to him, so go check him out. And this is Chappy saying, life is hard, that's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.